مامۆستا چۆن بڵێن بە زمانی ئینگلیزی ئەمریکی مێشێک ئەکاتە گامێشێک. A direct translation would be he makes a fly into a bowl. But native English speakers might not be able to understand your meaning if you say this. So instead, you should say, he makes a mountain out of a molehill. He makes a mountain out of a molehill. Gurdi ajeleki bichuk akata shachek. A mole is a small animal in America that builds tunnels, and at the end of the tunnel, he makes a small hill. We use this phrase for anyone who takes a small problem and acts like it's a very big problem. Bo kaseka kesheki bichuk akata kesheki gelra. Now you know you can say he makes a mountain out of a molehill.